It started simple, a composable dream. Then came the integrations, the ever-growing requirements, and the creative workarounds. That's how it turned into the spaghetti knot. What was meant to be a flexible architecture now looks more like a cheap dinner for one. And ironically, it cost you a fortune. Sure, it works. For now. But what happens when your business grows? When new tools join your tech stack? Or your best architect walks out the door? It doesn't have to come to that. With Umbraco Compose, you're the composer. Orchestrating data from your CMS, PIM, CRM, ERP, DAM, whatever's in your tech stack, into one headless API output. Whether you're modernizing legacy setups, scaling, upgrading, or migrating systems, Compose gives you the control, clarity, and performance to move fast, without ever hitting pause on the business. Yes, you heard it right. One query and your content is free. Free to serve a headless website, a native app, a landing page, a product feed. You get the idea. If you can build it, Compose can feed it. So what started as a mess, you know, the spaghetti knot, consider it retired. With dignity. What you get is a clean, composable architecture, and hours to spend on other things, like a fancy dinner for two. Umbraco Compose. Complexity into clarity.